Hey, welcome back to another tax tip sponsored by Ferguson Financial Solutions. I'm Joshua Ferguson, and recently we decided to switch things up a bit. We're taking a break from taxes for the moment to introduce the Taxpayer Bill of Rights. In this and future episodes, we will do a deep dive into each of the 10 taxpayer rights. Now, for those of you who missed the previous episode, the IRS has a document called the Taxpayer Bill of Rights, and it outlines the fundamental rights all taxpayers have when dealing with the IRS, and there are 10 of them. Those rights cover a wide range of topics and issues, such as filing a tax return, paying taxes, responding to a letter, going through an audit, or even appealing a decision. So without further ado, let's dive into taxpayer right number 2, the right to quality service. So taxpayers have the right to prompt, courteous, and professional assistance. They have the right to be spoken to in a way they can easily understand. They have the right to receive clear and easily understandable communications. They have the right to speak to a supervisor about inadequate service. Common tax questions can be answered in IRS publications. And if you need help finding an answer to your tax question, you can also contact a tax professional. Find one you trust and contact them. If you receive a notice or a letter from the IRS, they do provide a phone number in the upper right corner of that letter. And if you have to call them, the IRS representatives are supposed to listen to your information and answer your questions promptly, accurately, and thoroughly. When collecting tax, the IRS should treat you with courtesy. They should never threaten you. If you are being threatened by an alleged IRS agent, be mindful that it may be a scam and you may need to hang up the phone and report it to local authorities. So that concludes our deep dive of taxpayer right number 2, the right to quality service. Join us over the next several weeks for a deep dive into each of the 10 taxpayer rights. If you get a letter from the IRS or have any tax questions, contact a tax professional. You can give Ferguson Financial Solutions a call at 907-395-4027, or better yet, go to fergusontaxpros.com. And if there are any tax topics that you would like to know more about, leave them in the comment section below. Remember to like this video, share this video, and while you're at it, you might as well subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to join us over the next several weeks for a deep dive into each of the taxpayer rights.